For nature lovers, the power of a waterfall can be an almost spiritual experience. In that sense, Bushkill Falls in Pennsylvania is the equivalent of a cathedral, a man-made environment designed to provide a heightened encounter with the beauty of nature. It's an experience centered around waterfalls. Actually, a series of 8 waterfalls accessed through a network of staircases, boardwalks, bridges, and trails, all offering fabulous views of the falls and the surrounding forest. Today on Nature Break, we explore Bushkill Falls. Bushkill Falls is a private waterfall park in eastern Pennsylvania, set on 300 acres deep in the woods of the Pocono Mountains. It's one of the region's most popular scenic attractions, marketed as the Niagara of Pennsylvania. It's about a 30-minute drive north from Stroudsburg, just a short distance off of Route 209. There's an entrance fee, which as of summer 2024 was $20 for adults and $10 for children, which provides access to all the waterfalls and trails. When you arrive at the top of Bushkill Falls, you've got a number of trail options. The sign down at the bottom of these steps will help you figure out which way to go. There are 4 trails designed for different lengths and fitness levels, ranging from a 15-minute walk around the main falls to a more vigorous 2-mile hike past all 8 waterfalls. If you're not sure which trail is best, the staff can provide guidance. We followed the most popular trail, which offered many beautiful angles of the main falls from observation platforms, including multiple options as you descend the staircases along the cliffs. The flow of water across the falls may vary depending on the weather and time of year. Our first visit was in the summer of 22 during a historic drought. Conditions were very different when we came back in the spring of 2024. As you near the main falls, the roar of the water gets louder. Look how close you can get to this amazing waterfall. But yes, it is loud down here. The main falls are about 100 feet tall and are created by the Little Bushkill Creek as it flows down the mountains and through the Laurel Glen. There's a deep pool at the foot of the waterfall, right in front of the pedestrian bridge, which crosses Little Bushkill Creek. The creek flows on through a rocky gorge, descending about another 100 feet. It's one of 2 creeks flowing through Bushkill, along with the Pond Run Creek. Visitors who follow the longer Red Trail will follow Pond Run past Bridal Veil Falls, along with several other beautiful waterfalls. After spending time at the foot of the main falls, you'll climb back up to the main trails and likely get a workout on the staircases. Once you reach the top, another bridge offers a beautiful view over the top of the main falls. Bushkill Falls was opened to the public by Charles Peters in 1904, with a single path and a swinging bridge over the head of the main falls. It has been expanded steadily through the decades by the Peters family. In 2023, Bushkill Falls was acquired by Aramark, a hospitality company known for food service at stadiums, hospitals, and schools. The park features a wildlife exhibit and several shops near the entrance to the trails offering t-shirts and souvenirs. There's also a snack bar and a picnic area. Some reviewers and online commenters aren't thrilled with the idea of paying to visit a waterfall. There's good news either way. If you love waterfalls, it strikes me that Bushkill Falls is a good value for the experience. The falls are beautiful, and it's also worth noting that there are decent bathrooms and abundant parking, much more so than at several other waterfalls in the Pocono. Speaking of which, if you don't want to pay to see a waterfall, you can visit Dingman's Falls, which is just a 15-minute drive from Bushkill. Check out our video link at the upper right for the full review of Dingman's Falls. To learn more about Bushkill Falls, check out our show notes in the description for this video, which includes links that can help you plan your visit. If you want more nature breaks in your life, I'd really appreciate it if you'd like this video and subscribe to our channel so you can get all of our latest content as soon as it's published.